What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I'm coming to you guys today with a continuation of a strategy that I've been doing with you guys. Today, I'll be going over the Daniel 16 and what it takes to actually enter this trade and to continue taking these trades. So I'm going to give you a short demonstration on how to go ahead and set this up. So for those of you that have already purchased the Daniel 16 strategy, you guys know that we should be on pocket options and that you already have your settings on your chart. Now, what I did, and if you want these additional settings too, you can add it on, but it doesn't require this. This right here is extra sauce that I added on to this strategy along with this as well. But for you guys, the only thing that you need is going to be your red line and also your green line. Now, according to your package, you have those two indicators, but these right here is something that I took from the reckoning strategy as well. So you guys already know that if that red line's on top, the sellers are in control. And if the green line's on top, the buyers are in control. And then down here as well, you have your red and your green candle. So depending on which one is in control, that's the trend that you're going with. Then I went ahead and I also added some fractals to this strategy as well. But that's all extra. You do not need that. All you need are the two indicators. And what we're looking for is we're looking to enter the trade when that green line crosses that red for a buy. And you're going to stay in that trade until you get the red candle. So if your candles are underneath that red line, you're going to be looking to sell. And if they're above that line, you're going to be looking to buy. But what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to see how well that matches up with my additional indicators that I added. And if it works out well, I'm going to give you guys those indicators and the settings completely free for purchasing the Daniel strategy. So my candles, they are on S5. I do have Heiken Ash candles. S5, enable the timer, enable the auto scroll, enable the grid snap as well. And then we will be trading on 5-second candles. So I'm going to go ahead and star a couple of these so they populate at the top. And I'm going to see if I can find a setup. And once I find that setup, we're going to dive directly into the market, take those trades, and we will be done. A lot of individuals are excited because not only have we been dominating with the 10 seconds trades, but now this is a 5-second strategy. And I told the individuals who had the triple play as well that all my strategies are phenomenal. They all work. So we're here on US Ruby right now. This is getting ready to set up. Looks like we're going to take our first trade. Boom. I'm going to take that for a call for 5 seconds. And I did get a fractal there, so that's why it's important to have this fractal on. But I'm not going to avoid this trade. I'm going to stay here because I believe this is going to continue to go up. So I'm going to wait now until I get a green candle. Then I will enter that trade. So we already got our cross right here. Now, as soon as we get that green candle, we're going to go in for that trade. Now, we know the buyers are in control, but right now the sellers are trying to come into the market. So we're just being patient. And we're going to wait. There's a green candle. Let's break that level. Let's break. I'm going to enter that trade there. It's 5 seconds. And then I'm going to take the next one. I'm going to enter that trade as well. Just that simple, guys. Every single one of these strategies is a beast. So now I'm going to stay in this trade. I'm going to continue to trade every single one until I get a red candle. We got a pullback. Now, we don't win every trade, but we win way more than we lose. I know you guys are seeing me clearing out quite a few right now, but that's what happens when you catch the wave. And I answered that one late. I'm going to be on time with this one. We still clear it, though. Let's go. Let's go. We got a pullback. I'm going to enter there. There we go. We got our money back. We did not lose that trade. There we go. I don't need you to tell me good job. I'm going to continue taking it. Now, everything is lining up, as you guys see. Going to take that one as well. Green, we're above the red, and we have not got a fractal. Boom, red, I'm done. But that's how you use the Daniel 616. Let's see if we can find a sell real quick. That was really easy. Came in, we seen a buy, and we took advantage of that. Here we go. We're getting ready to cross. We just got our cross. Red's on top. We got red candles. So I'm waiting to get a red candle here. Then I will enter. I do see a fractal, so I will look. There's a red. I'm going to enter there. I would love for price to actually break this level. There's another fractal, which just got a green, so I'm going to be patient. And I'm going to wait till I get a red candle that closes out red before I enter my next trade. There we go. We might have it right here. We might. Boom. Let's go. Now, granted, this is still green, but we'll see. There we go. Oh, there we go. That's a clear. 5-second trade, guys. We lost that one. There's a green. I'm going to pause. I'm going to wait till I get another candle that closes out red, and then I'll enter. Now, I do see a fractal. This is a high-risk trade, and I'm going to take it right there. There's a pullback. I'm going to enter there as well. Let's see if we can get this good drop. There's another fractal. I'm going to pause. I'm going to pause. I'm going to wait. There's red. Close out red. Boom. In there. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Boom. Enter that next one. Let's go. Enter that one as well. We got a pullback. I'm going to take that one as well. We cleared that trade as well. We got a drop. Let's clear that out. Now, I jumped that gun on that one. We did have a fractal there, but I'm still in profit on that trade. We got red again. I'm going to wait till this closes out. Red. Boom. Going to enter that trade too. So, got our money back. Let's see what happens. We are red. I'm going to go. Okay, there it is. Oh, we're still in profit. I'm going to keep taking them. Let's go. Let's go. We got a pullback. All right, now I'm done. Now I'm done because the momentum switched. It went to a green. It closed me out. Now I'm done. But that's how you use the Daniel 616. It's your boy KLBK. Salute. We out of here. All my strategies are easy. Go to my website, get your strategy now. I'll put the link down at the bottom.